Macele says Msamseleku and Makumalo tried to have IVF several times behind her back. Macele, she was looking very angry. Macele have to know that sometimes Makumalo and Msamseleku, they have their private lives. You know that Macele want to know everything about Msamseleku's wives. There is nothing Macele doesn't know about Msamseleku's wives. But Musamseleku kept a secret to Macele. That's why Macele was very angry why Musamseleku didn't tell me about Makumalo's situation about the IVF process. You know that Musamseleku, he knows the reason he didn't tell Macele, because he knows that Macele maybe doesn't want to have IVF with Makumalo, or doesn't want to have a child with Makumalo. Who knows? So that's why he kept secret. Musamseleku tells Macele everything, even about Mangwabe, Mayeni, Makumalo, but those things that make Macele be angry because of those IVF process, what Musamseleku bring a woman in Muzumbe, she doesn't not know. You know that sometimes that woman, I don't understand. She says she doesn't want to be involved to Musamseleku's wives because she have got her own life. But those people, guys, Macele want to know everything, what's going on Makumalo's marriage. Because now Makumalo and Musamseleku, they are not getting along. She is very happy nowadays, Macele. She is very happy. If you look at her face, because she doesn't want to see anyone to be happy. You know that when Makumalo, Mayeni, Mangwawe, they are happy, she can be angry like that. So Musamseleku kept a secret because she knows that Macele doesn't want Makumalo and Musamseleku to have IVF process. So sometimes, guys, she have to know that Macele is the first wife, but those people, they have got their lives, Mangwabe and Musamseleku. Even they are married to her husband, but they have to know that they have got their own private lives. That's why Mangwabe was complaining that Musamseleku tells Macele everything, or to discuss with someone here secrets with other wives. It's not good the way he is doing. And now Macele looking very disappointed because Musamseleku kept a secret to her, kept a secret about Makumalo to her, because Musamseleku was trying to do, you know that Musamseleku want to have kids, guys. Even we can say what sometimes we are blaming Musamseleku. You know that we were blaming Musamseleku about the IVF, that Musamseleku refused to have IVF with Makumalo. But Makumalo knows that they tried to have IVF with Musamseleku several times, but Makumalo can't say it on public because they kept those things secret. Macele, she was not supposed to know about that process. Even those people, they came to Macele and tells Macele that Makumalo and Musamseleku bring someone in Muzumbe to have a child with Musamseleku. It's Mangwabe and Mayeni. But Musamseleku doesn't want to know. You know that those people, guys, Mangwabe and Mayeni, why they tell, especially Mangwabe. Mangwabe is Makumalo's friend. They're supposed to solve their problems in Muzumbe than to go to Sipak to tell Macele that there is someone in Muzumbe, do something. You understand? Do something. They know that Macele doesn't like Makumalo. Macele can act when it comes to Makumalo to stop that process. So, guys, to be married on polygamy, it's very difficult. When it comes to Makumalo, guys, Makumalo sometimes have to leave that polygamy issue or to leave Macele's husband. I think it's better, Makumalo, to leave Macele's husband to find someone who can have, even, you know that, guys, there is many men who can have a sperm donor. They can have a sperm donor, most of the men, you understand, and pay that person to have a child with, to leave Musamseleku, guys. Because Musamseleku, guys, men they can donate a sperm to her than to have a child with the Musamseleku, because Macele doesn't want it. You understand? Because they failed, guys. Imagine, you know that Moshe Diki have an IVF process once and have twins. Why Makhumalo failed, guys? Why Makhumalo failed?